all. So, welcome back. Next is Karna Roga part 3. So, part 1 and part 2 is over. So, we learned enumeration, classification, Nidana, and its Karna Shula, Lakshanas, and its treatment is finished. Now, we'll go to other diseases. That first one is Karna Natha. शब्दवाहिनी सिरासंस्थे शृणोति पवने मुहुः नादान् अकस्मात् विविधान् कर्णनाथं वदन्ति तम्. This is from Ashtanga Hridaya. So Shabdavahini Sirasamste Srinodi Pavane Muhu Nadan Akasmad Vividan Karnanadam Vadanti Tam. So from this you understood this is a Vadaja Vyadi. Shabdavahini Sirasamste Srinodi Pavane. So Vada got vitiated and it reached where Shabdavahini Sira reached Shabdavahini Sira, and what it causes Muhu Nadan Akasmad Vividan. So Vividan Nadan, different sound. Akasmad, in between without reason, often. Muhu, often in between without reason a person will hear different types of sound inside his ear. That is known as Karnanatham. So Shabdavahinishu Sirashu Gede Vade Muhu Shabdan Vividan Akasmas Ranodi Tam Karnanatham Vadandi. So because of vitiated Vada, it will get Vimargam Agataha, where it will reach the Shabdavahini Sira and it will cause different sound inside the ear. The patient will come and complain about hearing different sound inside the ear. It's not from the normal sound from outside, it is because of this Vata Prakopa. The patient can hear different types of sound inside the ear which others cannot hear. So that is Karnanada. This can be compared with tinnitus. Tinnitus. In modern, they will call this as tinnitus. So this is according to Ashtanga Hridaya. According to Susra Samhita, यदा तु नाडिषु विमार्गम् आगतः स एव शब्दाभिवहासु तिष्ठति शृणोति शब्दान् विविधांस्तथा नरः प्रणादम् एनं कथयन्ति च आमयान्. यथा तु नाडिषु विमार्गम् आगतः. नाडिषु means शब्दवाहिनी, शब्दाभिर्वाहिषु. So शब्दवाहिनी नाडिः विमार्गम् आगतः. Who Vada got vitiated and Vimargam Agataha, where it reached Shabdavahini Sira. Srinodi Shabdan Vividan. The patient will hear Srinodi, can hear Shabdan Vividan, different types of Shabda. Naraha, that person can hear different types of Shabda inside. Pranadamenam Kadayandi, that is called as Pranadam Cha Amayan. That disease is known as Pranadam, Karna Pranadam. So here also Ajari is telling the Vada got vitiated and Vimargam, Viruddha Margam. So Vimargam, where it will reach Shabdavahini Sira, it will reach Shabdavahini Sira, and Srinodi Shabdan Vibidan. Some different types of noise or sound can be heard inside the ears. That disease is known as Pranadam Enam Kadendi Ischa Amayan. That disease is known as Karnanatha or Karna Pranada. So according to Susro Samveda. So both Acharyas are mentioning that Vada got vitiated and with Vimarga it reaches a Shabdavahini Sira and the patient can hear and will make different types of noise inside the ear. Muhu, in between. Akasmat, without any reason. That disease is known as Karna Nada. So different types of sound can be heard inside the ear. That is Karna Nadam. This the dosha which caused this is Vata. Next comes Badidya. All the treatment are Acharya mentioned all the treatments together. So first we will learn the Lakshanas. After that we will go to Chikilsa. So Karna Nada over. Next comes Badidya. According to Ashtanga Hridaya, Slekshmana Anugado Vayur Nado Va Sam Upekshitaha Uchchehi Krichrad Srudihim Kuryad Badiratvam Kramenascha. Slekshmano Anugado Vayur Nado Va Sam Upekshitaha Uchchehi Krichrad Srudihim Kuryad Badiratvam Kramena Cha. So here Acharya is mentioning Sleshma Anugado Vayu. Here not only Vayu but along with Vayu there is Kapha also. Sleshma Anugado Vayur Nado was some Ubekshitaha. Karna Nada, if it is not treated properly, some Ubekshidaha, if we did neglect that and without, if we are not giving treatment for Karna Nada, and it will, that Vayu will get along with Kapha, will cause what? Badiryam. First, Uchchehi some Kuchra Srudihim Kuryan. First, the patient can hear only loud, if we are loud sounds. If we are speaking loudly or talk loudly, only the patient can hear. Uchchehi Krichra Srudihim. Uchchehi, even if it is loud also, it is difficult to hear. Krichra Srudihim Kuryan Bediratvam Kramenascha. Slowly it will go to, leads to Bediratvam. Bediratvam means deafness. So it will leads to deafness. So here what Ajari is mentioning, if the Karna Nada is not treated on time, first the patient will feel like, first the patient will go through the condition. If we are talking loudly only, the patient can catch. Otherwise, the patient can't hear. And slowly it will lead to Bediratvam or deafness. Here the Vada Vishated Vada is along with Kapha will act in this condition. So Slekshmano Anigado Vayuhu Nado va sam Ubekshidaha. If we are not treatment the Nada, then Uchchehi Krichrat Srudihim. If we are talking loudly also, the patient can't hear properly. Then slowly it will lead to deafness. This is according to Ashtanga Hridayam. Vayu Sleshma Anugado Karnanado Vasum Ubekshitaha Achigilsitaha. Some Ubekshita means Achigilsitaha. Karno means Rotro. Uchchehi Krichra Srudihi Sravanam. Kramena Bediratvam Badiryam. This is the sloka according to next comes Susruta Samhita. Sa eva shabdanu vaha yatha siraha kafanu yadu venusritya tishtadi tatha narasya apradikara sevina bhavetu badiryam asamshayam khaluhu. Sa eva shabdanu vaha yatha siraha kafanu yadu venusritya tishtadi. Here also Acharya Susruta is telling the Vada getting vitiated, that is in Karnanada. Along with Karnanada only Badirya is mentioning here also. Sa eva shabdanu vaha yatha siraha kafanu yado venusritya tishtadi. Venusritya means it is avarana. So here Acharya is telling kafa avrita vada. Here that Karnanada and also Natada Narasya Apradhikarya Sevino. If we are not giving treatment for Nada, and that Vada will get Avrita with Kapha, Kafanu Yado Venusritya, Avarana of Kapha, then it will lead to Badiryam, Asamshayam Kaluhu. If Karnanada is not treated properly and that Vada will get Avrita, Vimarga, Vivida Marga Avrita, that is Venusritya, Vivida Marga Avrita. So in Vivida Marga Avrita, Kapha Avrita Vada. So Vada will get Avrita with the Kapha and it will lead to Badiryam. So Nada is not properly treated, then it will lead to Badiryam along with Kapha. That is Badiryam. Hope you understood the Lakshana of Badiryam. So if Badirya is nothing but if Karna Nada, that is Kevala Vada disease, that is not treated on time, then it will get Avrita with Kapha and will leads to Badiryam. And in Ashtanga Hridayam, Acharya is telling first it will be like Uchchehi Krichra Srudihi. If we are talking loudly also, very difficultly only that patient can hear, and slowly it will leads to deafness. So this is Badirya. Next comes Karna Shveda. It is only mentioned in Susruta Samhita. Sramat Kshayad Ruksha Kashaya Bhojanat Samiranaha Shabdapade Pradishtitaha Vidigda Shirshasya Shida Sevitaha Karudihi Shvedam Adiva Karnayoho. Sramat Kshayad ruksha kashaya bhojanad. So sramat, exertion. Kshayad. Kshayad means kshayam. Ruksham, rukshada. Kashaya bhojanad. Intake of kashaya rasa food. Samiranaha shabdapade pradishtitaha. Samirana means vada. So this is also vadaja disease. Shabdapade pradishtitaha. Where it reached Shabdapada. Shabdavahini Srodhas, it reached Virikta Shirshasya Shida Sevidaha. Also with Virikta Shirshasya. Virikta Shirshasya means Virejana of Shiras. That is Nasya. Virikta Shirshasya Shida Sevidaha. Cold intake. Because of all these things, what will get increased? Vada get vitiated, and where it will reach Shabda Vahine Sira. Karodihi Shvedam Adiva Karnayoho. Karodi Shvedam. It will cause Karna Shveda. Shveda means what? Shvedanam Venukoshavat. Venukosha means bamboos, the sound made by the bamboos, flute sound. We can consider it as flute sound or Venunadam. The sound made by the bamboos. So that is Venu Koshavat. So Shvedam, that is Karna Shvedam. So because of this, Vada will get a disease, increased or vitiated, and it will reach where Shabda Vahini Sira and will cause this sound inside the ear like Karna Nada. So here the difference is the Karna Nada is all type of sound can be heard in that patient. Karna Shveda means Venu Koshavada. The sound between the Venu bamboos can be here, or flute sound like that. High pitch sound can be heard inside a ear. That is Karna Shveda. So it is only mentioned by Acharya Susruta. So Sramat Shayad Ruksha Kashaya Bhojanad and Virikta Shirshasya Nasya and Shida Sevidaha. Because of this, what will increase? The Vada will get increases and will come to the Shabda Vahini Siras and will cause Karna Shvedam. So high pitch sound can be heard inside the ears. That is Karna Shvedam. So that is the Lakshanas of Karna Nada, Karna Badidya and Karna Shveda. Hope you understand the Lakshanas of these three. Next comes the Chikilsa. Nada Badiryayoho Kuryad Vadashuloktam Aushadam Sleshma Anubande Sleshmanam Pragjayed Vamanadipihi. So Nada Badiryayoho Kuryad Vadashuloktam Aushadam. So here also in Ashtanga also Acharya mentioning Nada Badirya, in Karna Nada and Badirya we can give which treatment? Vadaja Vadashula Chikilsa. So Vadaja Karnashula Chikilsa we already learned last class. So that can be given in Nada and Badirya also. Sleshma Anubande Sleshmanam Pragjayed Vamanadi Bihi. If Sleshma is also associated with accompanied with the Vada, then we have to take Vamanadi Chikilsa, that is in Kabaja, in Karnashula Chikilsa, Vamanadi Chikilsa is mentioned, that also we have to give. Only Vada predominant Lakshanas are there, then we have to go for Vadaja Karnashula Chikilsa. In Sleshma Anubande, in Sleshmaja Lakshanas are also there, then we have to do Vamanadi Kriya, that is Sleshma Karnashula Chikilsa also can be given in this condition. This is Erandadi Thailam. Eranda Shigru Varuna Moolagat Patraje Rasehi Chadurgune Pached Thailam Shirecha Ashtagunan Vide. Yashtyahwa Kshira Kagoli Kalka Yuktam Nihandi That Nada Badidya Shulani Navana Apyanka Puranaihi. Eranda Shigru Varuna Moolagat Patraje Rasehe. So leaves juice. Leaves Varasa we have to take. Which all drugs? Erandam, Shigru, Varuna, Moolaga. How much? Chadurguna Paje Thailam. Oil if we are taking one part, then 4 part of Chadurgunam. 4 times we have to take Swarasa. Kshirecha Ashtagunan Vide. And also we have to add milk, that is 8 times of Thaila. Yashtyahva Kshirakaguli Kalkayutam. Kalka is Yashti. Yashti Madhu and Kshirakaguli Kalka we have to take, and we have to prepare oil with that. That can be used for Navana, Apyanga and Purana. Nasya, Apyanga and Purana. That oil can be used in Nada, Badidya, Shulani. Nada, Karna Nada, Badidya and Karna Shula condition we can use this Taila. So these drugs we have to take 4 times of oil with what is that? Swarasa of the leaves of these drugs. Along with that 8 times milk should be taken, and also Jeshti and Kshirakaguli Kalka we have to taken, and the oil is prepared, and that can be used for Nasya, Abhyanga and Purana in Nada, Badidya and Karnashula condition. That is Erandadi Thailam. Pakvam Pradivisha Hingu Mishi Twak Swarji Goshanaihi Sasuktaihi Purana Thailam Ruksrava Asrudi Nadanut. So this is also another Thaila preparation. Pakvam Pradivisha Hingu Mishi Twak Swarjika and Ushana in Sasuktaihi. Sukta is fermented liquid. Purana Thailam. Then we have to make Thaila with that, and we have to do Karna Purana. In which all condition? Ruk, Sravam, Asrudi. Asrudi is Badidyam and Nada. In all these condition we can give Purana with this preparation. So Pakvam we have to do we have to cook with in Sukta. Which all drugs? Pradivisham, Hingu, Mishi, Twak, Swarjika and Ushana, and Thaila is prepared and can be used for Karna Purana in conditions like Ruk, Srava, Asrudi, Badidyam and Nadanuta, Karna Nada. This is also a yoga in Ashtanga Hridaya. Karnanadi Hidam Thailam Sarshabhotham cha Purane. Only Sarshaba Thaila can also use for Karna Purana in Karna Nada. Sarshaba Thaila is mustard oil. So mustard oil can be used for Karna Purana in patients with tinnitus or Karna Nada. Next is Shara Thailam. Shara Thaila reference is in Ashtanga Hridaya Uttarasthana. Shushkamulaga Kandhanam Sharohingu Mahaushadam Shadapushpa Vaja Kushta Darushigru Rasanjanam Sauvarjala Yavakshara Surjigotphida Saindavam Burja Grandi Pidam Musta Madhusuktam Chaturgunam Madulunga Rasat Tatvat Kadaliswarasascha Taihi Pakvam Thailam Jayatyashu Sukrichnan Api Puranat Kandhum Kledam Chabadidiyam Pudi Karnatva Yukrimin Charatailam Idam Sreshtam Mukhadantha Ameshu Cha Shushka Mulaga Kandhana Ksharu Hingu Mahaushadam. So we have to take Shushka Mulaga Kandhana, stem of dry Mulaga should be taken and make Shara of that. Shara should be taken of a Mulaga and Mulaga stem, and then we have to add Hingu, Mahaushadam, Shadapushpa, Pacha, Kushta, Daru, Shigru, Rasanjanam, Sauvarjalam, Yavaksharam, Swarjikam, Saujikam, Outpidam, Saindavam, Burjagrandi, Bidam and Musta. All this should be taken along with that Madhu and Shuktam. That is Chaturguna of oil. Along Chaturguna of oil, Madhu, Shuktam, Madhulunga Rasam and Kadali Swarasam. So these 4 times of oil should be taken, and Pakvam Thailam Jayatyashu, and Thaila should be prepared. This can be used in condition. The indications are Sukrichran Abhi Puranat. Krichra Sadhya diseases like Kandhu, Kledam, Badidiyam, Pudikarnam, Tuk, pain and Krimi Karnam. All these condition we can use this Shara Thaila for Puranam. Also Shara Thailam Idam Sreshtam Mukhadanta Ameshu Cha. In Mukha Rogas or Danda Rogas also we can use this Shara Thaila for Kabbalah. So this is Shara Thaila. So Shara of a Shushka Mulaka Khanda should be taken. Along with that Hingu, Mahaushadam, Shadapushpa, Vaja, all these drugs should be added, and 4 times of Thaila Madhu Sukta, honey, Suktam, fermented liquid, Madhulunga Swarasam and Kadali Swarasam should be taken, and Taila is prepared, and this can be used for Purana in conditions like Kandu, Karna Kandu, Kledam, Badiriam, Pudil Karnam, Karnashulam and Krimikarnam. Also in Mukhadanda Ameshu, in Mukhadanda Rogas also we can use Shara Taila. You should by heart this sloka. Next comes Ada Supta Vivasyadam Karno Rektam Hare Tataha. Yeah, Atha, after this also, if that Badiriam Supta Viva means numbness of the ear. That means that it's a sense organs, right? So it is not working properly. Supta Viva, that is Supta Viva Syadam. If it is a patient is not able to hear after this also, we have to go for Rekta Mokshanam. Rektam Hare Tataha. We can do Rekta Moksha near the ear if it is not responding in Badirya. Sashofa kledayor mandasruder vamanamajareta. If there is shofa, edema, kledatvam and mandasruda, only little hearing is there, then we can go for vamanam ajaret. Badiryam varjayet. Badirya should avoid if it is in bala, vriddha and varthayor chirajam cha yada. It should not be treated if the patient is bala, vriddha or with long standing. In long standing deafness, we should not treat. So if the treatment is not working, then we can go for Rekta Moksha, and if there it is accompanied with the Shofa, Kleda and Manda Sruti, very difficult it can be heard, then we have to go for Vamanam. And if it is seen in Bala, Vriddha and it's seen for a long time, then we have to avoid that case, Varjayet. That is, till that was according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Next comes the treatment in Susra Samhita. There Acharya mentioned Karnashule Pranadescha Badityam Shvedayor Abhi Chadurnam Abhiroganam Samanyam Beshajam Viduhu. So this I already gave this sloka in Karnashula Chikilsa, right? So Karnashulam Pranadam Karnanadam, Badiryam and Shveda, same Samanya Chikilsa should be followed. Shula Pranadha Badirya Shvedhanam tu Prakirtadam Samanyam. After telling the Samanya Chikilsa, Acharya is giving Vishesha Chikilsa, that is 2 yogas mentioned for Badiryam. That first one is Visheshana Badirye Puranam Srutu Karna Purana Yoga. Gavam Mutrena Vilvani Pishtva Tailam Vipajayet Sajalancha Saduktam Vacha Badiryam Karnam Purana. So Gava Mutrena Bilva Pishtva. So Bilva should be macerated in Gava Mutre, in cow's urine, and Thailam Vibhajayet. With that, Thaila is prepared along with Sajalam cha Sadugdam cha. So along with water and milk, the Thaila is prepared and Karna Purana is done in Badiryam. In Badiryam, we can give that Thaila for Karna Purana. So Bilva is macerated in cow's urine and Thaila is prepared along with water and milk can be given for Karna Purana. That can be used for Karna Purana in Badirya condition. Siddha Maduga Bimbipihi Siddham va Aje Payasyapi Bimbi Kwade Vimadhyoshnam Shidi Pudam Tadudrutam Punaha Paje Desha Kshiram Siddha Maduga Chandanehi Bilva Ampu Gadam Tat Tailam Badirya Karna Puranam. Siddha Maduga Bimbipihi Siddham va Aja Payasyapi Bimbi Kwade Vimadhyoshnam Shidi Budam Tadadritam. So Siddha, Maduka and Bimbi in cooked in Aja Payasa. Siddhamva Aje Payasyapi. So in God's milk, got milk we have to prepare got milk and Bimbi Kwadam. Bimbi Kwada and got milk should be taken. In that Siddha, Maduka and Bimbi is cooked. And Shidi Budam Tadadradam. After that, we have to cool it down. Punaha Pajed. Again cook it with Dasha Shiram, 10 times milk and Siddha, Maduga, Chandanam. In that you have to add again Siddha, Maduga and Chandanam. Bilva Ambugadam, thick decoction of Bilva also should be added, and Tat Thailam, and Thaila is prepared, and that is good for Karnapurana in Badhirya. So first we have to add Siddha, Madhu, Bimbi in Acha Payasa, in God's milk, along with Bimbi Kwadam, and cook that properly, and then we have to cool it down. Then again added Pajet Deshakshiram, 10 times milk, along with Siddha, Maduga, Saindava, and also Bilva. Bilva Ambugadam, that is thick decoction of Bilva along with Thaila, and Thaila is prepared and used for Karnapurana in Badhirya. These two yogas are mentioned in Susruta Samhita for Badhirya Chikilsa. So that's about the Chikilsa and Lakshana of Karnanada, Badhirya and Karnashveda in both Ashtanga Hridaya and Susruta Samhita. Hope you all understood the Lakshanas and treatment. Thank you.